Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I want to tell you about my gorgeous new bedding. This beautiful comforter set is from INK+IVY. It's cotton. I love the modern look and how there's a three-dimensional look to it. So it has this inviting, puffy, delicious cloud of meringue look to it. It's so yummy and so inviting. I know you're thinking it's just a comforter, but really every time I see it, I just want to jump on it and roll around on it, get inside and take a nap. I love this because it's an alternative to down, and it's very fluffy and cozy, but not overly stifling hot. So I live in a warm climate, but I have air conditioning on almost all of the time. This is the perfect layer of coziness without being too hot or too heavy. This comforter set comes with 2 matching shams, and I have it in the king size in white. I just love how cozy, squishy, and inviting this set looks. The neutral color really goes well in my room, and every time I look at it, I'm impressed with how beautiful it is. So if you're looking for a new set, something neutral, but also inviting, I really love the details on this set. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.